Hi Tunga. Hi. Hi Boo. Where is Bunga? Hi, I'm here. Hi Bunga. We are in the land of eggs. See? There are so many eggs. This egg is green, just like Tunga. Haha, just like me. And this egg is blue, just like Bunga. Yes, green and blue. Green like Tunga and blue like Bunga. But which color is this egg? It is pink. Yes, pink. This, it is orange. Orange. This, red. It is red. And this, that is yellow. Yellow. Yes, we have green, pink, orange, red, blue, and yellow egg. Oh, so many eggs. But Tunga, Bunga, do you know secret? 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 We want to know secret. Tell us, tell us. Oh, psst, be quiet. Come here. The secret is that these eggs are not ordinary eggs. No, these eggs are surprise eggs. Surprise eggs. But what it mean? That mean that in each of them is hiding something or someone. Oh, that's great. Can we see what is inside that egg? Yes, we're going to open them all and see who is hiding inside. Oh, but which color we going to open first? I don't know. What you say, Tunga? Orange. I like orange. Okay, first orange to see what we have here. Oh, slow. What is that? Oh, look, it's a little turtle. Turtle. Oh, that turtle is green. Just a sign. Is that turtle my brother? Oh, no, Tunga, I am your brother. Yes, Bunga is your brother, Tunga. Not turtle. Oh, now I want to open maybe, I don't know, maybe this to see what is hiding there. I don't know, it's, what is that? Oh. That It is little ladybug. Oh, so sweet, little one. Stay here, little. Aqui. Turtle, ladybug. Oh, maybe Bunga wants to open some egg. Maybe... no yet. Blue? No. Yellow? No. I want red. Red. Let's see what we have here. What is that? Oh, come on, little one. That is bird. A little bird. Oh, so nice. Now, Bunga, which color you want? Yellow or blue? Oh, come on, Blue. It's your turn. What is that? Little yellow ducky. Come on, ducky. Oh, so nice, little ducky. Okay, now Tunga. We have pink egg. And in this egg is a little it's a penguin. Oh, we have penguin, ladybug, turtle, parrot, duck, and we have one egg more, yellow egg, to see what is inside. Oh, nobody? What is that? A snake. It is a snake. Come on, snake. Stay here. Oh, it is blue. Like me. Maybe the snake is my brother. No, Bunga. Don't be silly. I'm your brother. Come on, let's see what we have here. We have snake, duck, parrot, turtle, ladybug, and penguin. Ladybug, come here. So, turtle, parrot, duck, snake, penguin, ladybug. Oh, new friends for Tunga and Bunga. Bye bye.